In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Netflix gift cards to cover a full year of your subscription. We'll be doing everything directly through the official Netflix redemption page in Google Chrome, and the goal is to load enough gift card credit onto your account so your selected plan can be covered over the next 12 months. The process is very simple, but taking a minute to prepare before you start can make it much smoother. Begin by opening Google Chrome and going to netflix.com/redeem. This is the official page Netflix uses for applying gift card balances. So before entering anything, make sure the website address is correct. Once the page loads, you should see the box where gift card codes can be entered. Before you redeem anything, make sure you've already purchased enough digital Netflix gift cards from authorized online retailers. The key idea is to combine enough total value to match the full cost of 1 year of the Netflix plan you want to use. Since Netflix pricing depends on the tier you choose, it helps to know your monthly subscription cost in advance and multiply that amount by 12. That gives you a clear target for how much balance you need to add. In many cases, using higher value gift cards can save time because you'll have fewer codes to enter. Once your gift card codes are ready, go back to the redemption box on the Netflix page and enter the first code. Take your time with this part. It's worth typing carefully so you don't run into an avoidable error. After the code is entered, click Redeem. Netflix should then apply that value to your account balance. After that, continue with the rest of your gift cards one at a time. Enter each code individually and redeem it before moving to the next one. If you're working with several digital cards, going slowly is the best approach. It helps reduce mistakes and gives you a chance to confirm each redemption as you go. If you copied your codes from a digital purchase page or email receipt, paste them carefully and make sure no extra spaces are included. Once all of your gift cards have been redeemed, take a moment to verify that your total account balance is enough to cover 12 months of your chosen Netflix plan. This final check is important because it confirms that you've added sufficient funds. If your balance matches or exceeds the full yearly cost, your account will draw from that gift card credit over time.